Hey guys, today we're going to be classifying and sorting two-dimensional shapes based on their attributes. So as you can see, I listed 6 different two-dimensional shapes. The first one we have is a circle. Second one we have is oval. Third one we have is square. Fourth one we have is triangle. Fifth one we have is a trapezoid. And then last but not least, the sixth one we have is a rhombus. So, in order to classify and sort these two-dimensional shapes based on their attributes, I chose 2 different attributes that we are going to be sorting these shapes into. And those attributes are vertices and sides. So, if you don't know what vertices or sides are, so vertices are where 2 sides meet. So, for example, let's look at square. This is a side and this is a side. And what are vertices again? Vertices are where 2 sides meet. So this side goes right here, this side goes right here, so they meet at this point, which is called a vertice. So we are going to go ahead and sort these. Let's look at the first shape, is a circle. As we can see, a circle is round all the way around, and I have a visual right here that we can look at. There's no sides or vertices because 2 sides, there's no sides on here where they come to a point. It's just round all the way around. So therefore, a circle has 0 vertices, so we're going to put circle right there. And again, if it doesn't have vertices, that means it doesn't have sides. So we're going to go ahead over here and put circle under 0 vertices and 0 sides. Okay, so the next shape we're going to go to is an oval. An oval is kind of like a circle, but it's a little bit wider. But again, as you can tell, it's completely round. There's no points, no vertices where the sides meet, no sides. So we're going to put it right by circle on having 0 vertices and also 0 sides. So therefore we know oval has 0 vertices and 0 sides. Now let's move on to a square. So again, I have another visual right here. We're just going to look at this top part. How many sides can you count? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So we know we just counted square sides. We counted 4. So we're going to put square down here for 4 sides. Now, if there's 4 sides, how many vertices do you think we're going to have? Again, vertices are where 2 sides meet each other. So we have these 2 sides going to meet here. So here's one vertice. We have these 2 sides going to meet here. That's another vertice. These 2 go over here to meet each other, another vertice. And then last but not least, we have this side's going to meet over here for a vertice. So therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So we're going to put square down here for 4 vertices. Good. Now, let's move on to triangle. Triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Good. We're going to put triangle under 3 sides. And if we have 3 sides, how many vertices do you think we'll have? 1, 2, 3. Good job. There is triangle for 3 vertices. Next, let's move on to trapezoid. How many sides do you count for a trapezoid? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So we have square down here under 4, but we're also going to put trapezoid. Trapezoid. Good. Again, if we know that a trapezoid has 4 sides, how many vertices do you think a trapezoid will have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, and for our last shape, we have a rhombus. Let's count how many sides a rhombus has together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, a rhombus has how many sides? 4. Good job. Again, last question. If a rhombus has 4 sides, how many vertices do you think we'll have? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you said 4, awesome job. Therefore, we're going to put rhombus down here at 4 vertices. So we know that circle and oval both have 0 vertices, 0 sides. We know that a triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. And then last but not least, we know a square, trapezoid, and a rhombus have 4 vertices, and they also have 4 sides.